This is our dog Sweep. He's patiently waiting for this ball to be kicked. He'll wait as long as we want him to wait, but at some point we will kick the ball and he will chase it. But he will wait until that moment comes. We got this dog from a Craigslist ad. Craigslist is one of the most effective ways to get anything you want by bartering. And that's what we do. We like to barter here at Highland Hill Farm. And this dog was a Craigslist barter. And we will barter trees and shrubs that we grow for all kinds of items. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329 if you want to get a kick out of bartering. And there's our dog. Happy, happy, happy. This old dog will wait for this ball. And back he goes. He knows exactly how to pick it up and bring it back. At Highland Hill Farm we like to trade. It's a great way to get materials that we can use on our farm. Anything that we can use on our farm we'll trade for and barter for with you using our trees and shrubs. We can use plumbing supplies and fixtures, building supplies and materials. We also will trade for hunting gear, fishing gear. We'll also look for tires, good tires for our trucks and cars and bobcats. We'll look for equipment such as loader parts and things for our bobcats and attachments. So there's a wide range of things that we're interested in. Don't hesitate to call us at 215-651-8329 to barter, because Sweep taught us a lesson. Thank you. Highland Hill Farm is about 30 minutes north of Philadelphia. Come up 611 to Doylestown, take the Doylestown bypass around Doylestown, get off at 313, turn left onto 313, and we're approximately 1 mile on the right. We have this year a special on our 3-gallon and 3 to 4 foot balled and burlapped emerald greens. Our 3-gallon emerald greens delivered and installed are $35. And our 3 to 4 foot emerald greens that are balled and burlapped are $45, delivered, installed with a drip water kit. If you'd like to see these or other selections that we offer, please come to our Fountainville farm at 5275 West Swamp Road, Route 313, or give us a call at 215-651-8329.